Good morning, friends. I am Sharda Ule Deshmukh, Department of Botany. I teach you plant physiology and ecology, Unit 5, Ecology and Environment. The first upon all, we see the concept of the environment and what is meant by environment. Environment can be defined as the surrounding or the condition in which a person, animal, or plant lives, or it is referred to all elements of his physical and the biological world as well as the interaction between them. So that is known as the environment. So environment refers to anything that immediately surrounding on the object and the direct influence on it. म्हणजे जेही आपल्या पर्यावरणाशी संपर्कात येते त्याचं डायरेक्टली जे डायरेक्ट परिणाम होईल असा एन्व्हायरमेंटमध्ये येणारे फॅक्टर्स. And our environment refers to those things, agency which through distinct from us affect our daily life or activity in the environmental by which man is surrounded and affected by the factors which may be natural, artificial, social, biological, and the physiological. Then components of the environment. So what is the components or factors of the environment: atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. These are the four components of the environment, and it be divided into two types, that is the micro environment MICRO and the macro MACRO environment. And these two components divided into two others type. What other type is the physical or the biotic environment. So is the biotic means the natural lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere, and biosphere is the natural components of the environment, and human and man-made component is the artificial environment. So that is not useful in the daily life, but lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere components are the most important components and the balancing to the our environment, and it is the very important role to play the daily actions. Why? It is lithosphere, it is solid rocky soil, and it is used into the environment. And then hydrosphere, and it was very important to the our important to our environment. That is, hydrosphere is occupied the 97% of the environment environmental water level. Then water level, which contains the mainly 71% earth surface, which is 97 is in the ocean, and only 3% fresh water, which includes the solid ice sheet as well as the liquid form in the rivers and the ponds. Then third is the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the layer of gases surrounding the earth's surface. It is of the 78% of the nitrogen, then 21% of the oxygen, and carbon dioxide and other gases. The atmosphere helps to maintain the temperature near the surface by the absorbing of the dangerous ultraviolet rays coming from the solar radiation. And this is the atmosphere. And last is the biosphere. These components will comprises living or the non-living organism, flora and fauna, plants and animals species, including one cell organism. They are vital to maintain the energy flow via ecocycles, that is the biogeochemical cycles, food webs, and the food chains, and thus maintain the balance in the nature. Then मॅनमेड एन्व्हायरमेंट. सो आपण पाहिलंच की नॅचरल एन्व्हायरमेंटमध्ये हे चार आपले कॉम्पोनंट्स येतात. तर मॅनमेड एन्व्हायरमेंटमध्ये जे आर्टिफिशियल आहे, की जे बनवू मानव निर्मित असतात आणि पण काही काळाचे असतात. तर मानव निर्मित असे कोणते? तर मॅनमेड ह्युमन or human made environment consists of the item created by man, that is a bridge, roads, building, monuments are the four example of the human made environment. So that is the very important points to uh, refer to as the surrounding made by human. म्हणजे मानव निर्मित जे सभोवताली वातावरण आहे, टू प्रोव्हाइड द फॅसिलिटीज टू सॅटिस्फाईंग ह्युमन नीड. अशा काही गरजा ज्यांनी आपण समाधान मानू शकतो किंवा जे आपण प्रोव्हाइड करू शकतो. दी सराउंडिंग आर मेड टू हॅव प्लेस फॉर पीपल टू डू जॉब ऑर द लाईव्ह or even educate other people, and also recreating requirements for the concentrate people's day to day needs. So this is important for the man-made environment. So man-made environment मध्ये एक आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे की anthroposphere may be defined, it is belong to the man-made environment. So it is defined as the part of the environment made or modified by the humans and used for their activities. असं हे कॉम्पोनंट्स आहे की जे फक्त मॅनमेड निर्मित आहे आणि त्याच्यासाठी तो यूज फक्त त्याच्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीसाठीच तो करू शकतो. कसा की ह्या 4 कंपोनंट्समध्ये हे एक्स्ट्रा असं कंपोनंट्स आहे, एन्व्हायरमेंटचा फॅक्टर आहे आणि तो अँथ्रोपोस्फिअर, की त्याच्यामध्ये मानवनिर्मित ज्या गरजा आहे की ज्या आपल्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज तो त्याच्यामध्ये यूज करू शकतो. तर अँथ्रोपोस्फिअर म्हणजे नेमकं काय? द पार्ट ऑफ द एन्व्हायरमेंट मेड मॉडिफाईड यूज बाय ह्युमन्स फॉर देअर ॲक्टिव्हिटी इज अँथ्रोस्फिअर. म्हणजे अशी गरज की जी फक्त मानवनिर्मित आहे, ती त्याच्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीसाठी यूज करू शकतो. अँड द एंटायर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर मेड बाय द ह्युमन बाय युझिंग द नॅचरल कंपोनंट्स ऑफ द एन्व्हायरमेंट कॅन बी कन्सिडर ॲज अ पार्ट ऑफ अँथ्रोस्फिअर. For example, building made with the use of the wood, cement, or water, even an ocean going ship used to ship goods made in the factory. The concept of the adaptation and the evolution are intimately related to the way a system or the collection or similar system respond and change in the context of their environment. Especially the concept of the adaptation and the evolution refer to change in a system that affects how it responds to repeated instance to similar or the related condition. This concept have the biological or the social flavor. However, the response of the physical system can also change a result of the environmental forces. So, the important role of the environment is also important when कन्सिडरिंग द बेसिक आयडिया ऑफ द ऑब्झर्वेशन. म्हणजे ज्या बेसिक गरजा आहे किंवा ज्या बेसिक आयडिया आहे त्या ऑब्झर्व करणं. आणि ऑब्झर्विंग अ सिस्टीम टिपिकली इन्व्हॉल्व द रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ द सिस्टीम टू इट्स एन्व्हायरमेंट. इवन वेन वी डिस्क्राईब अ सिस्टीम शेप और अ कलर, we make use of how the system respond to the light. So this is the components of the concept of the environment. These four components responsible for the concept of environment. Then man-made environment, how it is important to, it is the artificial environment but we create it for our needs and the daily activities. But what they happen when they created and the infrastructure will change, but in that way the role of environment is very important to us. So thank you very much. If any queries, so please ask me in the chatting box. Thank you very much.